Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into the Costco employee self-service account. So first of all, you need to come here on costco.com/employees website. Now over here, you are going to see this type of employee self-service section. So over here, you just have to simply just look for the login options. So if you are a current employee, you need to simply select the current employee login option. If you are a former employee, you can just simply select the option of former employee login. If you are an absolutely new employee, you can just simply select the option of register here, and then you can basically register. Now whichever method you choose, you will be landed here on the sign in page, where you just have to do nothing but to just simply provide the username and the password associated with your account, then click on the option of sign in. Now for any reason, if you have forgotten your username and the password, you can also select the option of trouble signing in, or you can select the option of retrieve username, and then you can just simply follow further instructions in order to get your details back. So once you sign in, you can access the pay information, the personal details, and other employee self-service features. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.